Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the wiper blades on a BMW. This one is the 5 Series 530e, but it will be similar on other models as well. So you need to start by getting the wiper blades up straight, because it will be difficult to change the blades otherwise. So there's a trick for doing that. So push the left hand side lever down and hold it down until the blades stop conveniently in this upright position. Now with the blades in this upright position, it's easy to lift up the blade and remove it. On the center of the blade there's kind of a button here which you hold down, and then you can pull the blade up. It might be a bit tight, but just wiggle it around slowly and it will come out. Of course, before starting the process, make sure you buy the correct wiper blades. So for the 530e, they are these Bosch AP26U for the other one and AP19U for the other one. Of course, you have other brands as well, but your local auto parts store will know what to give you based on your car make and model. For the Bosch blades, we get these 4 different connectors. We get the blade itself, and then we get some instructions, and the instructions say you need to check behind the package. And for the BMW 5 Series G30, which mine is, it's the 2A connector, or actually it's the 2 connector, but we follow the 2A instructions. So we need to clip this in, and I think the picture shows clipping it in this way. And yeah, I'll put the Bosch logo text so I can read it, and then clip it in like this. And it should make a sound when it clicks in. And now with the blade clipped in, it looks a bit similar than the old one. We can see here in the old one the kind of button was here, and on the new one, well, it looks a bit different, but it's here, so we know which way to push it in. So in here the kind of button piece is down, and we have it on the blade down, so it's quite obvious we need to push it in like this. Yeah, and it clips in nicely, and it's locked in place, so we can then just lower the blade back on the glass. Repeat the process for the other blade, and after that just hold the left hand side lever down until the blade start to move again. Yeah, and at the beginning you have to turn the ignition on. You don't need to start the car, but you have to give power, so press the start button once, and then you can use the switch. If you found this video helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.